Right, good day. So this video will show us about how you could collect the logs for the first tier level troubleshooting from our support engineers in Cylance. Okay, before we do anything, you should download the zip file, the collection tools for Windows version 2.3. Okay, this is the one that I'm actually going to do the demonstration later on. Uh, Firstly, we leave it here first. Now, the first and foremost thing is we need to enable verbose logging for the Cylance agent. Now, by default, the Cylance agent is not collecting logs under the verbose mode. So, in fact, initially, you can't do anything here. What we have to do, a simple step, is to exit this agent UI and go to the command prompt. Okay, go to desktop and key in Cylance UI dash minus advanced mode. Okay, so once you actually key in the advanced mode and you right click here, you are able to actually do a selection on the logging. So you will have to select to all. So this is actually very important. You need to actually do logging in all for any troubleshooting. So when you turn on the verbose logging, wait for about a few minutes, a couple of minutes, because now the logging system is changing from information to all to logging of everything itself. Now the next thing here is that while you wait a while, you can close this thing, extract the tools, the collection tools over your desktop here. Now, what the next step here is that you need to go to command prompt and make sure that you run the command prompt as an administrator. Put yes, okay. Slash desktop. Now go to the folder that you actually have the collection tools unzipped. If you do a directory list, you'll see that the batch file is there. Okay, there's a batch file here. Now, before you actually start, right, what we need to do here is that, let's take for example, if this application is having issues, right? So what you need to do is that you need to actually go to the pane, do whatever things you need to do, right? Let the logs actually do whatever logging it is, right? After that, you close the application, right? And then you run that batch file. So you want to actually simulate the problem before you run the batch file. So run the batch file, and it's actually happening, and it actually have given us a few options. Most of the time you need number one, okay, because you already simulated everything, so you just collect whatever system information and Cylance product data that is required. Now, so I actually press 1 and I press enter. So at this point of time, it is actually collecting a lot of information, and if you go back to the same directory again, there's a new directory being created. So you can see we are actually dumping whatever information that's relevant for the purpose of troubleshooting into this folder. And after that, we will zip it up. Okay, so just wait a little while. Okay, so the collection tools has already been completed as I mentioned over here, and you will see that there's a zip file over here. So what you need to do is that you press enter, close whatever it is, and you submit this file to the support engineer. And this is actually what we need and require. All right, thank you everyone for your time.